Welcome to Purgatory Hill, Wright City, Missouri. Played with this thing on the road a little bit, and this is about all I'm going to run with it. It's 5-horse challenge flat top, and I just got going. That's a 5-horse Alpha Delava Lawson. First whip over, you start right up on the mag too. Same as this one. It's a 3-horse Lawson ZA. Thought about getting my hourglass out today, but what a nice day to be sitting when the country's shut down. Reminds me of 2006 when I hit my leg broke. April or November, out of work. Sat on the couch for 3 months until I could get up, put weight on it, and it still wasn't healed all the way. There's some of my toys. There's 5 more in that trailer there. That's a 4.5 Lawson. There are 3 back there. There's another 3 challenge. There's a 3-horse Gauge sitting over there. 8 mule team, 6 hourglass. And then there's Fuller and Johnson's K and an N, and a Frost King Jr. 6-horse United and Associated, and a bunch of little ones there. And a 4.5 United. And my other favorite there, that's 6-horse Simplicity, Case 39R. Purgatory Hill's junk. And a 7-horse Stickney, his dad's. Got a little Gilson over there. And a 3 mule team back there I want to do some work on. Challenges. And a little Gauge back over here. Inside here is 2 more Lawsons, 2 challenge, hourglass, and a 1-horse Gilson. Very cool. And I got my round rod over there, underneath covered up. Yeah. 3 more coming in. Got that running pretty damn decent now. Every once in a while I screw up, and I think it's junk coming up out of the tank. This is a sweetheart here. See, that and I'm gonna have to take and pull the piston on. Make a wrist pin and the springs that go on there. The mag's what's doing all the noise. Happy COVID-19 2020.